Hello guys, today we will talk about memekombat. On my channel I talk about good and scam projects. So is a memekombat scam project? Today we will check the contract and everything else. After that I will give you answer. Okay, at first you can buy here memekombat and every 7 days the price of one MK token is increasing by 10%. So this is very good because this is only per sale. And memekombat will enter the market as soon as they reach 10 millions. This is a lot of money and this is high risk, because for example if you spend your $1000 to buy this MK tokens, you will not be able to sell them, so you can easily lose your money. That's why at first before investing we need to check audit, and in the audit we need to check their payment contract. Here we can check their contract on Etherscan. So total supply is 120 million MK tokens and here is only 3 holders. But there is not important, the main is token contract. So just click and here we can check their balance, and obviously their balance is $0. So be careful guys, because it means that this project is high risk. Of course after that we need to read all of this audit, and here is disclaimer. This audit report has been prepared by Consult, so we need to check this company on our browser. Guys, you can repeat everything what I do on this video and check it by yourself. So after we just open this company and here we choose projects. After that here we just need to write memekombat, and after we can view detailed information. Guys, before investing your money this is very important to check all of this information, because in the other way you just lose your money. Okay, here we can check the contract address, total supply, holders, but for safety I already did it by myself. But the most interesting, here we can check token owner. So just copy this link and search in browser. And guys, as you can see, you can check all of this information by yourself. The balance value is only $1000 guys, but on their website they write it that they already have $1,600,000. So where is this money? Why we can check this information? So obviously this next price increase to $0.2 is not real, because they actually can write here whatever they want, $1, $2, and price after 2 days will increase 10 times. You will think, wow, if I invested $1000 I will receive $10,000. But as I told before, you can't sell your MK tokens. So this is high risk project and this can be big scam, and you just need to understand before investing your money. This USDT raised at $1,600,000, they can write here whatever they want, because on their contract is $0 and we can't check this information. Okay, but for example you want risk, so after that we can easily check their social media. For example official Twitter, memekombat, and here is first post, check it. As you can see this is a scam, I bought some tokens and I never received it. I DM and they don't even reply me back. Horrible, I lost money. Don't buy, it's scam. Why I can see my MK tokens anymore? Obviously here is a lot of comments like that and you can check it by yourself. Also of course here is a good comment, but this is because they already invested on this project and they didn't earn any money. So everything what they can do is just tell another people to buy this. The same situation like in another projects. Okay guys, if you don't believe me you can also check the Telegram. As you can see the administrator sent this post and the token launch will be only 10 months. So until this time they can earn a lot of money from you and after just scam. But of course I know that some persons from you in any way invest on this project, and I can offer for you just wait 10 months until release, because the price increasing very slowly, and if you invest now this is really high risk. If you won't invest on this project, just wait 10 months. Why you need to do this now? You will not be able to withdraw your money if you invest, because until this time you can earn much more money just playing P2P game. As you can see I invested on this game 10 BNB and after only some days I earned 2.2 BNB, and I will earn like that every day. So after 10 months I will earn $30,000. And guys, this game is on smart contract. You can easily check the balance of this game, and they are not hiding this information like in memekombat. Also you can check the balance history, and as you can see this balance is only increasing. On this game you can easily check the audit, and here is 2 audits from another companies. Obviously you can check it by yourself, but I can immediately tell you that I didn't find any problems. That's why I invested my own money, and that's why I recommend this game for you. Okay guys, if you're interested you can check this video about game and also subscribe on my channel to not lose good projects on the future.